Hi friends and family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zinhle Gama. Please make this your permanent YouTube home by clicking the subscribe and the notification bell down below. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, talk to me in the comment section, and share this video with your friends and family. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you install the Darling Jozi Dred braid. And I'll be using two methods, one with the installation of the crochet hook and the other without. So please enjoy this video and have a happy new year.
Fluff out the ends of the lock. Take your hook, put it through, grab your lock, hook it in, pull the lock, and then wrap. Okay, and then you want to do a knot. I'm going to create 3 just to make sure that this is really secure. So I separated the kinky hair. And then on to the second method, or the alternative method, which is basically you're going to do the same braid, but instead of using your crochet hook, if you don't have a crochet hook, you section your hair into 3. And then you take your lock with the end already fluffed out, and you place it right in the middle, and then you're going to braid over, right? So there's the lock in the middle, and then you just want to braid over the lock. So there's the other bit, here's the extension, and here is the braid. Take the braid, join it, and then you're going to start wrapping again.